Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart here at the shelter house, part of Echo Grove Camp, located in Leonard, Michigan, part of the Salvation Army. I got to speak to the 2nd through 6th, 7th graders today, along with their camp counselors, some other adults that were present for the talk that focused on bullying, right? Looking at one's heart first, just like Christ looks at all of us, and through his lens and through his hearts, that we see others, for their heart first, our heart as big as our fist. And if we truly let his love and his light fully enter our hearts, right, that we can turn this into this. And part of the message tonight too that was shared, that this peace sign, one finger is ourself, the other is someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves by how we choose to treat that other person. And that we know that no matter what we've been through, whatever storm we've been through, that new life can spring up and that rainbows can come, and that even though hurt people, which is a choice, we can turn that hurt and that pain into healed people who heal people. So Isaiah 53, by his wounds we are healed. And that helps us to see everybody the way that he sees all of us, right? That he truly looks for what's within, and that while sometimes many of us, man, woman, we look at the outward appearance, it says this in 1 Samuel 16:7, that God still looks at the heart. And like the shirt says here too, one race human, that he also shows us the way to show unconditional love and see everybody as human beings before anything else as well, right? It's so important and so vital we do this, because not everybody, when they look in the mirror, really truly loves themselves, right? We talked about loving our neighbors ourselves, but if we don't have that self-love first, how can we give it out? But we need to give it out, because the need to show that compassion is beyond there. The M etched on all of our hands, with the lines of each of our hands, we have the letter M. And that M stands for miracle, upside down for worthy. And it says this as well in Isaiah 49, that I have engraved you on the palm of my hands, and this is the proof. But we need to help others that don't believe that they're good enough, help them see that they are not mistakes, that they are truly worth everything, and that we continue to lift them up even higher than ourselves, that we use our power to build up instead of to bring down, right? And continue to shine Christ's light no matter what we've been through or going to go through, that we can still always choose that kindness, we can still always choose that love. So thanks for touching my heart. It was just a true honor, the healing, the hope that was here tonight, some tears too, but all tears of joy and tears of healing and feeling again. So it was just a pleasure to meet everybody, and hope to be back again soon to share my heart. Until then, much love. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell as well to stay notified by clicking the link that's going to pop up here. And feel free to check out other videos just like this one from the playlist above, as well as my website to learn more about Mr. Peace by visiting the link that you'll see here as well. Peace.